Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today I have a really quick Texas burger with cheddar. Since it's summer and our theme is hot dogs and hamburgers at times, I'm going to bring you a really quick bacon cheddar Texas burger. So I already have a patty that has bacon and cheddar already in there. Like I said in the previous video, you can make your own. So this is bacon and cheddar. I got some red onion to throw the taste off a little bit. I have one of those really soft Euro hamburger rolls. I have garlic powder, canola oil, and I got this really good organic Texas barbecue sauce, true barbecue sauce. We got our pot, and we have our hickory smoked cheddar. So this one's going to be good. So we're going to just we're going to start by just putting in our canola oil, and we're going to take the patty, and like we talked about before, just cook it to your liking. But you can see that's a really hefty burger. Alright YouTube, so we have the burger in there. You can hear it sizzle. So just basically cook that to your liking, like I said before, like medium rare, well done, rare. It's your burger, and everyone has a taste. So, but like I said, like with burger patties, if you want to make them yourself, do it. But sometimes I find it really easy just to buy at quality stores. I got this at Whole Foods, and it already has the bacon and cheddar built into the burger. So now we're just going to cook this off. I'll tell you, Facebook, Facebook and YouTube, I wish you could smell this. Just look how it easily slides in this pan. This was bacon and cheddar built into the mix when the store made it. So I ended up getting this burger for $3, already pre-made with bacon and cheddar. Usually, if you go to like McDonald's, it's like $11 for 2 Big Macs. It doesn't come with any fries or any drinks. So sometimes you're better to just save the money and go buy this. Even if it costs a little bit more than making your own, it's convenient. But once we're done with that, it's really easy. Just hit it up with the true barbecue and the red onion. The red onion is optional. It's all what you want to be. But pretty soon we'll be done. So I just added some garlic powder to that. You can use whatever garlic powder you want. It'll just add some more taste, because can't go wrong with garlic and barbecue sauce with that red onion on top, and with the smoky cheddar. Alright, so the thing you're going to want to do, especially if you're cooking it inside, just keep flipping it. Like you've seen before, I put garlic on there before on the one side, so put garlic on the other side. And basically, keep your pan on medium and just keep flipping it on both sides so it doesn't burn. Like, you would definitely want the char. The char is good when you go to crunch into that thing, but just like try to move it around and flip it so it evenly cooks. And basically this one is only like a couple minute recipe, because you're really not adding anything. You're just adding the chopped onion, the barbecue sauce, and you're going to put the cheddar on to melt. So can't go wrong. That's what I like. I like quick recipes. Yeah, so you can see that that garlic gives it an extra crisp texture and a little bit more brown. I'm a person that likes a burger almost well done. Like, steak is different, and all kinds of like steaks and roasts, those are different to me. But when it comes to a burger, I don't really like it rare. Alright, so our burger's getting there. You can see the smoke. Imagine if you did this on the grill. Like I said, I wish I lived in a house where I could have a grill outside, but I live in an apartment. Like after that gets done, we're going to throw in this nice smoked hickory cheddar. So this burger is going to be good. You're going to have that cheddar and bacon in the burger. You're going to have the smokery hickory cheddar on top, and you're going to have that Texas barbecue sauce. Alright, so we're almost there, Facebook and YouTube. Look at that nice grease. The thing you could do now is, if you want, you could lightly put barbecue sauce on the bottom of here. That's like totally optional. Like, we're going to put barbecue sauce on top of the burger and cheese once it's done. Alright, so while you were gone, I put some barbecue sauce there, and our burger is almost ready. Alright, so we have our cheddar cheese on there now. And we're just going to let that melt. So this is a quick and easy way to make a Texas bacon cheddar burger. But you could use whatever cheese you want. Alright, so our burger is done. We're going to put it on the bun, put some barbecue sauce on top, and then we're going to throw some onion on there, and we're basically done. Alright, YouTube, so we have that there. That's our cheddar burger. Now we're going to throw some barbecue sauce on top of there, and the onion, and then some more barbecue sauce, and we're done. Makes for a really good quick burger. Alright, YouTube, so we're back with that burger. Look how nicely that came out. And there's the barbecue sauce. So we're just going to top it with that red onion if you want. You can see that there's barbecue sauce on the bottom, and the burger already melted into that. But like I said, our mind is an imagination. You can create so much stuff. So we're on this journey together. Like I said, most of these recipes I've never did before. Alright, so we're back, YouTube. There's the onion. And we're just gonna top the bun. But that's basically your Texas bacon cheddar burger. So thanks for taking this journey with me. Sorry the camera's bouncy. I'm just trying to get a picture of the whole burger. So thanks for taking this journey with me. Learning new recipes. This is your this is your Monday upload. I'm a couple days off. But you can see the barbecue sauce running down the burger. But yeah, thanks for taking this journey with me. That's your Monday upload. Can you please subscribe? Can you hit the bell? And can you tell your friends and share? I will see you Wednesday. God bless. Peace out. Dansoy.